They are the big improvers in 2023. The Western Force unbeaten after home wins against the Rebels and Reds. It's a squad made up of homegrown talent and internationals from Japan, Canada, New Zealand, the Pacific Islands, as well as some signings from the eastern states. So they've recruited well.
I know that she loves everything about playing rugby. She's had to take time off work, her annual leave and all that, just so she can perform well for the Western Force.
And that is Sanate Sarevic. Yes, you know the name. Alex Marsh and Lavinia Rothata on the touchlines. So the Western Force getting us underway in very heavy conditions. At least it's stopped raining for time being, but you can see that the track is not favourable. Drua put it in, and they're going to have a little rumble here. Controlled at the back by Naisawa, being told to use it though, and she picks it up and has a go at the line herself. She offloads, and there's the try. Salita Waisanga scores the first 5-pointer for the Fijian Drua women off the back of a very powerful scrum.
It was a dominant scrum indeed, especially with all the penalties that they've given away early in the first 12 minutes.
Huge line out to the backs for the Force. But they'll have a rumble first. Klein has it at the back.
Use it now, brought down.
He breaks away. Got a show and go, and then losing the ball.
Strip backwards, play on.
And the counter attack coming from the Drua women. Good strong run. All right. Now a little bit of space and a possible overlap as well. Has she got the pace to get away? Melania. Oh, what about the step in slippery conditions? And they're on their feet again in Lampoka. The old German move. Hands. Melania.
Swerving defenders.
And here's the conversion attempt, which is good. It's over from Luisa Tesoro. So 12 points to 0. Well, it's the Force who says, I think we've had enough. We'll go to the sheds. We'll have a rethink about how to play in these conditions. Very wet conditions indeed. So a try to Waisanga and to Melania for the Drua. One conversion to Tosolo. At half-time, it is the Drua leading the Force by 12 points to 0. There's the kick-off. Trapped at the back in the 22 by the Force. Bit of an air swing from Maseni Karibi. And Jones goes in the forward direction. Oh, here we go again.
That's good.
Yellow card.
You got 2 penalties.
From the Force. Desperate to get some points on the board. They're getting very close. The referee is looking, and she gives the try. She gives the try. And it's another one going to the bin. Wow. Sarah Porter, the referee, has lost patience
with the penalties and being frustrated, but obviously the ref is just not having a bar of any of it early on in this game.
Huge advantage now for the Force. Sarah Klein finds the target. They drive towards the line, getting very close. It's a try. Had to happen. Finally, they come up with it. And so it's 12 points to 5. It is the Drua over the Force. The throw finds Coates. Now running onto it is Marawai. Double straight through. Player of the match last week for the Fijian Drua. Trying last week, she's got one today. There's no stopping her. Too big and strong. That close to the line when the gap is that wide open.
And just opened up that channel for Thumu to cross in.
It's almost like when they're a player down, they go another level.
Here's the conversion attempt, and it's a good one.
Bye!
The Vivi Senakarubi just giving the ball a decent tap to get rid of the moisture off it. Big shove coming from the Force, and they get the penalty. They take it quickly, and the Force knock back the 10, and now here we go. It goes against Michaela Leonard. First. Peter the scrum for Satata Walumu. It's going to come back for the Drua, but the penalty goes against them.
It will be a tough trip back home.
Penalty to the Force. Job done in very difficult conditions in Lautoka. The Drua, Fijian Drua women, led 12-0 at the break, and they've beaten the Western Force women by 19 points to 5.